put your hands together.
Thanks, Dee. This first song I want to do is a Bruce Springsteen song. This one's dedicated to my dad because this reminds me of my wedding day when he was hovering around. And anyway, it might become obvious when I sing the song. I remember how rough your hand felt on my wedding day, and the tears cried on my shoulder, and I couldn't turn away. Well, so much has happened to me that I don't understand. All I can think of is being 5 years old, falling behind you at the beach, chasing your footprints in the sand, trying to walk like a man. By Our Lady of the Roses, we live in the shadow of the elms. I remember Ma dragging me and my sister up the streets of the church whenever she heard those wedding bells. Oh, would they ever look so happy again, the handsome groom and his bride? And as they stepped to that long black limousine for their mystery ride, oh, tonight you step away from me, and alone at the altar I stand. And as I watch my bride coming down the aisle, I pray for the strength to walk like a man. Well, now the years have gone and I've grown, you've come back, seeds you've sown. But I didn't think there'd be so many steps that I'd have to learn on my own. Well, I was young and I didn't know what to do when I saw your best steps stolen away from you. Now I'll do what I can, I'll walk like a man. And I'll keep on walking. This is I wish I could actually. Anyway, here we go. Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. There's empty plans you made, put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end. lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look to God to Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I will make it through another way. And I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Been walking my mind an easy time, go back turned towards the sun. Well, no one cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come, searching for flying machines and pieces on the ground. And I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought I'd see you again. Yeah, I always thought I'd see you one more time again.
James Taylor.
James Taylor, yeah.
James Taylor, how eventually.
There you
I think it was James Taylor.
sing this one now.
We'll come to
I don't know what to
Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Whatever colors you have in your mind, I'll show them to you and you'll see them shine. Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Stay, lady, stay, stay with your man a while. Till the break of day, let me see you make him smile. His clothes are dirty, but his hands are clean. You're the best thing that he's ever seen. Stay, lady, stay, stay with your man a while. Why wait any longer for the world to begin? You can have your cake and eat it too. Why wait any longer for the one you love when you're standing in front of you? Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Stay, lady, stay. Stay while the night is still ahead. I long to see you in the morning light. I long to reach for you in the night. Stay, lady, stay. Stay while the night is still ahead. Robert Zinnemann. Of course it was, yeah.
Oh, not the real name of Bob Dylan. No one would have changed it.
Nothing to do on this hot afternoon but to settle down and write you a line. I've been meaning to phone you, but from Minnesota, hell, it's been a very long time. You wear it well, little old-fashioned, but that's alright. Well, I suppose you're thinking, I bet he's sinking, or he wouldn't get in touch with me. No, I ain't bragging or losing my head, but I sure do want you to know that you wear it well. There ain't a lady in the land so fine, oh my. Remember those basement parties, your brother's karate, your old day rock and roll shows, them homesick blues, and that radical cues. You haven't left a mark on you, and you wear it well. A little out of time, but I don't mind. But I ain't forgetting that you were once mine. But I blew it without even trying. Now I'm eating my heart out, I'm trying to get a letter through. Oh, since you've been gone, it's time to carry on. I wanna write a birthday gown that I bought in town. As you sat down and cried on the stairs, you knew it cost the earth, but for what it was worth, you made me feel like a millionaire. And you wear it well. Madam Oness has got nothing on you. Anyway, my coffee's cold, and I'm getting told that I gotta get back to work. So when the sun goes low and you're home alone, yeah, think of me and try not to laugh. And I wear it well. I don't object if you call collect, 'cause I ain't forgetting that you were once mine. But I blew it without even trying. Now I'm eating my heart out, I'm trying to get back to you. This is another Bruce Springsteen song.
Take care.
Cheers,
See you, Paula.
See you later, Paula. See you, Paula. Well done, International superstar.
This is called Hello Sunshine off Springsteen's new album. Had enough of heartbreak and pain. Had a little sweet spot for the rain. For the rain and skies of gray. Hello sunshine, won't you stay? You know I always like my walking shoes, but you can get a little too fond of the blues. You walk too far, you walk away. Hello sunshine, won't you stay? You know I always loved this lonely town. Those empty streets, no one around. Oh, and love will only end up that way. Hello sunshine, won't you stay? You know I always like that empty road. No place to be and miles to go, but miles to go is miles away. Hello sunshine, won't you stay? Miles to go is miles away. Hello sunshine, won't you stay? Miles to go is miles away. Hello sunshine, won't you stay?
Thank you. Big up, please, Mr. Howard Needham from Just Up the Road. Excellent stuff. Just like to say